Our experience with TSO3 as a partner has been a very, very positive experience. Our cost savings since we started using the STERIZONE VP4, at the rate that we're going, by January of 2019, we're probably going to be close to a saving of $30,000 a year. We're getting the lowest cost because right now we're able to process more instrumentation in our load, and we're processing therefore less load. So with less load, that will give us less cost overall. Since we went live with STERIZONE VP4 in January, we were able to reduce the inventory by one machine. So before we had 3 machines, and from 3 we went to 2 machines. We've been able to reduce our cost per maintenance with our machine. For example, with the machines that we had before, for the cost of 1 machine, we're able to pay the cost of 2 VP4 machines as far as the maintenance contract. I think my throughput has increased maybe 2.5 times more. If we're looking at it from a load perspective, we're doing 2.5 times more instrumentation is what I'm trying to say. So we're doing 2.5 times more instrumentation with less loads. Currently, we are sterilizing the X-size scopes, and we've had an increase since we went with the STERIZONE to be able to sterilize 3 scopes in 1 load. In the past, we were able to only sterilize 1 scope per load. As of last week, to my understanding, since January of this year, we've had an increase at almost 5 to 6% of surgical procedure with robotics. When I went to my vice president and I went to my director to talk to them about this new technology, they told me, Nestor, if you believe in the product, then here's a blank check. Go get the machines. And they also say, if it doesn't work out, you may have to look for another job, right? But hey, it's October now, and the machine is working great, and I still have a job. The response from TSO3, as far as I'm concerned, has been an A+. Do your research. You're not going to regret it. This is a very good machine. It's a good technology, user-friendly. The staff really loves the machine. And at the end of the day, it produces what we're all striving for, as a piece of equipment or instrumentation that's going to be safe to use in a sterile environment. I already received a phone call from a competitive company offering to replace my 2 TSO3 with 3 of their sterilizer. And I was given 1 to 2 weeks to really think about it. And my answer to them straight out was, no, thank you. We're very pleased with the machine that we have.